Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here, and I have an awesome unboxing for you. I have the October Color Kits from Shimmerz Paints. Now before we get started with the unboxing, I want to mention that when you place your order with Shimmerz Paints, you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the comments section and Shimmerz Paints will send you a free paint. You can place my name in every order that you place, and each time you'll receive that free paint. All right, let's get to it and see what's inside this kit. So you get some dots, an ephemera, and a coloring sheet, but I'm going to set these goodies aside and we'll look at those in just a moment. Let's start with the paper. You get 9 sheets of coordinating papers, 18 different designs. So this one has some ghosts, and then we have some bats. We got this awesome orange and black polka dot. We've got some stripes here. We've got some more stripes. And then it looks like some sunflowers. I love those. Let me bring those up close so you can see those. And then we have a gingham pattern here with green. And then this gorgeous purple. And then let me flip these over. Oh, there's one more. And then you get this one as like a little scarecrow and a spider web. You could paint that. Let me flip these over now, and here's some fun Halloween designs and some spiders. And then we have some bats here on the purple background, some candy corn. I love candy corn. And then some leaves and another coloring sheet if you'd like to color that in. And then here's another one with lots of pumpkins. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then a green polka dot. And then some spider webs. So awesome papers in this kit. Then you also get these dots, so you can use these on your projects. You get a sheet of matte stickers, beautiful, spooky vibes, creeping it real. Hey, boo. So fun. And then you also get this coloring sheet. So you can color these with your paints or markers or however you want to paint them. And then you can fussy cut them out and use them on your projects. So those are super cute as well. All right, now let me show you the ephemera. So there's some leaves and some pumpkins. And then we have this cute little ghost, spider web, rest in peace, a little ghost with a trick-or-treat pail. Let's see, let me get a hold of these little spider for the spider web. Some more pumpkins. Eek. Let's see here. Oh, I love that one. That's a big tree. And then we have this haunted house, a mummy, some more leaves and stars, a coffin, and then a sentiment here, trick or treat, happy Halloween. And we have a witch's hat, a bat, a moon, some candy, Dracula. Looks like we have Frankenstein, that's cute. And some more ephemera here. A witch's broom and a hat. And then a caramel apple. Some fun little characters. Oh, I like that owl. Some teeth. And the word boo. Little potions. Oh, a little kitty cat, an eyeball, and a witch. So those will be fun to use on projects this month. All right, my favorite part, let's take a look at the paints. This first one I'm going to start off with, this is Dandelion Creameez. And that one I need to activate, so I'm going to set it aside for just a moment. And I'm going to move on to Celery Shimmerz. Now a Shimmerz, it's already a liquid and it's a water-based paint with shimmer in it. And it is this gorgeous green. Look at that. And I wish the camera really picked up the shine that's in these paints. It just doesn't, but that is so pretty. The next one here, we have Sun-Kissed Inklingz, and I need to spray some water in that to activate it, so I'll come back to that one. Next, we have Jack-O-Lantern Vibez. Now a Vibez is a shimmer spray. Let me clean off my paintbrush here. So we want to just twist this upside down and give it a little twirl between our fingers. And let's take a look at this. Wow, that is a bright orange. That is perfect for Halloween. Painting pumpkins, I love it. This next one is Vivacious Violet, and this is a Coloringz. A Coloringz is a highly pigmented spray without the shimmer. So let's take a look at this one, and another really vibrant paint. I love the colors this month. Look how bright these are. So that's super pretty. Now let's go back to the Dandelion Creameez. A Creameez is a satin color, and it works just like the like an Inklingz. You spritz it, you let it sit, you add a few drops of water, and then you take your paintbrush and mix it. So that's a really pretty yellow. And then this next one here, this is the Sun-Kissed Inklingz. Again, you just spray these with water, and this has a high sheen and shimmer. So that's super pretty. So here's a look at all of the paints that come in the kit. This is a gorgeous kit. I will leave a link down below to Shimmerz Paints website where you can take a look and grab one of these kits, a paint, or whatever you wish. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!